the Chamber for hosting this event tonight. It's been an honor to be here with y'all. As we wrap up this section of tonight, I want to leave you with this. We have come to a crossroads in Hopkins County. The future of our families lie in your hands. We can choose to cut spending, lower our overhead, and balance the budget, or we can continue borrowing money to operate on, taking money from our road and bridge fund until it's completely broke. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe the choice is clear. We have got to elect a true conservative that will work together with all elected officials to make the cuts necessary to balance the budget and to get Hopkins County back on the right track. I am a true conservative, and I would greatly appreciate your vote in the November 2nd election. Thank you for your time. If anybody has any further questions when this is over, I'd be glad to meet with you back in the back. Thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, Mary.